Every single day, people all around the world wake up tired, sluggish, and frustrated with their bodies. They look in the mirror and see fatigue written across their faces. They look down and see stubborn fat that refuses to leave, no matter how many diets they try or how hard they exercise. But what if I told you that your body already holds the blueprint to restore itself? What if your body has the natural power to regrow, repair, and burn fat, if only you give it the right fuel? You see, your body isn't broken. It doesn't need magic pills or expensive treatments. What it needs is nourishment, the kind that activates your stem cells, the very cells that repair, rebuild, and renew every part of you. And the secret can start with something as simple as a drink. A drink that has the potential to awaken your body's healing power and turn it into a natural fat-burning machine. Now let's be clear. This isn't about some trendy smoothie or sugar-filled energy drink that promises miracles. It's about understanding how what you drink can unlock your body's ability to heal from within. The human body was designed to repair itself. When you cut your skin, it heals. When you fracture a bone, it mends. That same power exists inside you every single day. Every sip of what you drink is either feeding your body life or feeding it fatigue. You have that power right now in your hands. So what kind of drink can help you regrow stem cells and burn fat? It's not one single ingredient, but a powerful combination: water, green tea, citrus, berries, and maybe even a little spice like turmeric or ginger. These are not just random ingredients. They are nature's medicine. They are scientifically proven to awaken the body's regenerative systems. Green tea, for example, contains compounds that not only help your body burn fat, but also protect and stimulate stem cells. Berries are rich in antioxidants that slow down aging and repair cell damage. Citrus fruits, like lemon or grapefruit, support metabolism and detoxification. But the real magic happens when you drink them with intention, when you make this simple act a daily ritual, because what you do every day defines your future. You don't need to drink this once and expect miracles. You need to drink it every day to give your body the chance to repair, restore, and rejuvenate. And let me tell you something powerful. The moment you start nourishing your body correctly, it starts to respond immediately. Within days, your energy shifts. Within weeks, your metabolism awakens. Within months, your body begins to transform. You don't have to wait for years to see change. You just need to show up for yourself consistently, one day at a time. Now, you might be wondering, how can a simple drink have such a big effect? The answer lies in how your body works. Deep inside you are trillions of cells, constantly dying and being replaced. Stem cells are the master builders. They create new cells, repair damaged ones, and replace the old. When your stem cells are healthy and active, you feel youthful, energetic, and lean. But when your lifestyle, diet, and stress shut them down, your body starts to age faster. Fat builds up. Healing slows. Energy drops. So this drink is not just about hydration. It's about awakening those stem cells. Think of it as fuel for your body's internal repair team. When you give your cells what they need, they go to work for you, burning fat, repairing tissue, rebuilding energy. And here's something incredible. Studies have shown that certain natural compounds, like those found in green tea, blueberries, and turmeric, actually turn on stem cell regeneration. That means your body can literally rebuild itself from the inside out. This isn't science fiction. It's biology at its best. But science alone won't transform you. You need mindset. You need discipline. You need belief. Because let's be honest, most people already know what's good for them. They know they should eat healthy, drink water, exercise, sleep more. But knowing isn't enough. You have to do it. You have to act. You have to commit to small actions that create massive change over time. So I'm not asking you to overhaul your life overnight. I'm asking you to start with one simple commitment. Drink this every day. Wake up, take a deep breath, and pour yourself a glass of something that gives life instead of taking it away. Add your green tea, add lemon, add a few berries, add a slice of ginger, drink it slowly with gratitude. Tell yourself, this is for my body. This is for my healing. This is for my transformation. And as you make this your daily ritual, you'll begin to notice something shifting. Your energy won't just come from caffeine anymore. It'll come from vitality. Your skin will begin to glow. Your focus will sharpen. Your body will feel lighter. You'll start waking up with purpose. Because every time you make a healthy choice, you remind your body that it's still capable of greatness. Here's the thing. Fat burning isn't about starvation or suffering. It's about alignment. It's about getting your body to work with you instead of against you. When your stem cells are active, your metabolism becomes more efficient. Your fat-burning hormones start firing. Your body stops clinging to extra weight because it's no longer in survival mode. It's in repair mode. You were never meant to feel sluggish, tired, or stuck. Your body is wired for energy. It's wired for movement. It's wired to heal. But when you fill it with processed food, sugary drinks, and stress, you shut down its natural rhythm. So today, I challenge you to take it back. Take back your energy. Take back your health. Take back your health. One drink at a time. Imagine what would happen if you did this for 30 days straight. 30 days of feeding your body the right way. 30 days of hydration, nourishment, and focus. You wouldn't just burn fat. You'd rebuild your biology. You'd activate your stem cells. You'd become younger, stronger, and more alive from the inside out. And the best part? It's simple. No complicated routines, no extreme diets. Just a daily drink that connects you back to your body's natural. Because transformation doesn't come from doing everything, it comes from doing the right things consistently. Now let me ask you, what's stopping you? What's standing between you and your best self? Is it doubt? Is it comfort? Is it that you can't? Because that belief is the only real obstacle. Your body can change. Your cells are waiting to be activated. The potential is already inside you, but you have to believe enough to begin. When you hold that glass in your hand, you're not just drinking liquid, you're drinking possibility. You're choosing life over laziness, health over habit, purpose over procrastination. That one choice repeated daily can rewrite your future. There will be days when you don't feel like it. Days when you'll say, it's just one drink, it won't matter. But those are the days that matter the most. Because it's not about the drink, it's about the decision. The decision to show up for yourself when no one's watching. The decision to keep going even when it's hard. That's how transformation happens. Not in the big moments, but in the small, consistent ones. So don't underestimate the power of simple habits. Don't underestimate the power of you. Because when you fuel your body the right way, you're not just burning fat, you're igniting purpose. You're unlocking clarity. You're becoming unstoppable. And remember, this is not about perfection. You don't have to be perfect to change. You just have to be persistent. If you miss a day, if you fall off track, rise back up. Your body will always meet you where you are, if you give it the chance. Every sip of this drink is a step toward regeneration. Every healthy choice you make is a signal to your body that it's time to heal. And the more you do it, the faster you'll feel it. Because the body that once felt slow and heavy can become lean and powerful again. The mind that once felt foggy can become sharp and clear. The energy that once felt lost can return stronger than ever. So here's my challenge to you. For the next 7 days, commit to this ritual. Wake up, hydrate, and nourish your body. Do it with consistency and intention. Watch how your body starts responding. Feel the energy building, the focus sharpening, the fat burning. And when you see that progress, even just a little, let it remind you, your body was designed to heal. You are not broken. You are not weak. You are not stuck. You are becoming. Every day, every drink, every decision moves you closer to the person you were meant to be. So drink to your future. Drink to your strength. Drink to your healing. Let that first sip in the morning be your daily reminder that your body is your greatest ally, your mind is your greatest weapon, and your choices are your greatest power. Don't wait for motivation. Don't wait for someone else to tell you to start. The time is now. The formula is simple. The drink is powerful. Your body is ready. So take that glass, fill it with purpose, and say to yourself, this drink is my new beginning. Because it's not just a drink, it's a declaration that you're done with excuses, done with fatigue, done with the old story. You're ready to rise, repair, and renew. So do it, drink it, live it, and let your body show you what it's truly capable of when you give it the chance to heal from within.